While most AI is limited to just conversation, Dialogo is built to take action. It bridges the gap between your thoughts and the actual tools you use to get work done. When you head over to the Connections tab and hit Discover, you unlock a marketplace of nearly 900 different applications. We're talking about the heavy hitters you already rely on: Slack, Gmail, GitHub, and Google Drive, alongside powerhouses like Notion, HubSpot, and Salesforce. We know your time is valuable, so we've made setting up your workspace instant. If you don't want to add apps one by one, you can install them by your profession or stack. Whether you're a software developer, a marketing manager, or a content creator, you can deploy a full suite of essential tools with a single click. Dialogo automatically gathers and authorizes the specific apps your role requires, from code repositories and analytics to project management and design tools, setting up your entire professional toolkit in seconds. This is a live ecosystem, and once connected, you can use natural language to search your emails, update a CRM, or manage your calendar without ever leaving the chat. You just tell the AI what to do, and it handles the rest across all your platforms through a unified user interface. Secure your spot for early access now and bring the power of a unified AI to your daily workflow.